Do you ever wake up feeling sluggish? No energy for work?
Morning, how are you feeling?
Ready to act.
Act Energy Bar, for when you need to act but don't have the strength.
The advert you just watched was never edited, and I don't mean lightly. I mean there was nothing to edit. No cuts, no timeline, no sound design. One prompt went into Seedance 2, and a few minutes later, that came out. I had the idea of the guy jumping over the sofa, the bike, the office slide, the voices, the music flip, but it came out in one generation. I spoke to my Claude skill, shared the idea, out came the prompt, popped it into Seedance 2.5, out came the video. So in this video, I'm building 4 complete ads with Seedance 2.5 inside Dzine, one single generation each, a comedy spot, a luxury fragrance ad, a real product straight off my own shoe rack, and a person talking to camera with proper dialogue. You'll get my exact prompt structure for every single one, and I'm going to keep the failure ones in too, because of those that went wrong in ways that taught me more how to get the wins. Everything on screen is the actual output. And at the end of this, I'll tell you how you can get access to the skill I used to write these exact prompts. So the first video I'm going to make is a Brooks advert for my trainers, and this image you can see on screen is the setting for both the color for this video and the dynamics for this video. And I created these with the image models, the setting here used with Nano Banana Light, and then the character sheet for the main character made with GPT-2. Then I have 6 different images layered here for the actual Brooks trainers, photos that I found of the Brooks trainers that I'm going to use to reference how they look in the Seedance 2.5 video. Next thing I'm doing here is I'm going into Seedance 2.5 and I'm changing into reference mode. I'm going to paste in the prompt that I created within my Claude skill, and you can see here it's got all of it written out. I didn't tell it much what to do in this advert. I just spoke to Claude and said I want to create an advert with Brooks trainers, and that was pretty much it. I didn't give it too much direction. But as we go through iterations in this video, you're going to see I iterated, then I asked it to do a voiceover and to end with a saying about the trainers. And this is the first generation that we're looking at me building here right now. So I'm just changing all of the references here to reference exactly what they're meant to reference. So we've got image 1 defines the 3/4 front view of the Brooks Cascania 19 GTX trainers. So I'm just setting all of the references here in the Seedance 2 prompt. And you can see I've still got it set on Minimax Helio H.3, but I'll change that to Seedance 2 in a moment. So I'm just telling it all of these images and what they relate to regarding the trainers. And now image number 7 is the exact shot for his identity. I'm telling it make sure that you don't, use the actual layout of the image, just use the reference for what he looks like. And then image 8 provides the color grade, the cool misty dawn, and the muted greens, and the soft volumetric light that I want it to use for the advert, which is reference 8 here. Further down in the prompt here, it just describes the different scenes, a 30-second trailer, what's happening between 0 to 8 seconds, 8 to 14 seconds, 14 to 24, and 24 to 30 seconds. It says no music at any point, natural trail shoot, and now I'm choosing Seedance 2.5, and I'm going to choose 16:9 and 720p, which is the highest resolution available at the moment straight out of the tool. By default, the sound is turned on, and click generate. And now you can see that Seedance is verifying the media. It just checks that there's no copyright on any of that media. There's nothing that signals any flags in their system. Once it's verified that, then it will start generating the video. And I'll show you the output of what the first video looks like now. So that was a pretty cool video, but not really an advert. There was no speaking, no music, just a really cool video of someone running a trail through a forest. So I went back to my Claude skill and I told it, look, I want to add in a voiceover, a commercial voiceover, talking about the trainers. And so here you can see our new updated prompt. And it says here in the first 8 seconds, some mornings ask more of you. And then it says, this is where you answer. Brooks Cascania, made for the trail. So we're going to have a nice voiceover in there. And I also asked it to add a restrained cinematic underscore of music. Because it's a 30-second full video clip, I'm going to let it add the music in for me. Normally when I'm doing multiple clips, I would add the music in later. But here, because we're doing the whole advert within 30 seconds, I'm going to let Seedance 2.5 also add the music in as well. And I'm letting it use its creative abilities to do that as well. So then I just go through and reference all the images again and then hit generate. And this is what the new updated version looks like, version 2, with the voiceover.
Some mornings ask more of you. This is where you answer. Brooks Cascania, made for the trail.
So what was super interesting there was we got the cinematic score, we got the voiceover, but if you noticed, when the foot came over the log, it was the wrong trainer on the wrong foot. And also at the end, he said Cascadia wrong, as well as spelling it wrong on the screen. So then I went back again to my Claude skill and I spoke to it again, wrote to it again in the prompt box and said, look, it's saying Cascadia wrong. We've got to write it phonetically so that the man says Cascadia correctly. And we've also need to make sure it uses the right trainer on the right foot. So I went and took the current image that I had, flipped the image, and then had to change the writing on the bottom of that trainer. So now we had the sole of the trainer for both feet. And then I reran the prompt, and this is what we get with the third and final corrected version of the video.
Some mornings ask more of you. This is where you answer. Brooks Cascadia, made for the trail.
So for this second ad, I wanted to create a perfume ad. And on screen you can see the image for the front of the perfume bottle for Velmora. This is the rear of the perfume bottle, a close-up of the label, and this is our location image for the feel of the ad. So in goes my prompt that I created using my Claude skill, which, like I said, you can get access to that. I'll tell you how to get access to that at the end of this video. And then in go all the images I'm referencing, and then just defining those images so it knows what is what. Image 1 defines the front of the perfume bottle, image 2 defines the back of the perfume bottle, the back carries the small gold letters near the base as shown, no label, image 3 defines the label macro of the same bottle and the text used, and image 4 provides the color grade and the light mood only. Do not use any objects or settings from at image 4, just for the light and the mood only. And this is going to be a 30-second cinematic fragrance ad, and also with some voiceover as well, such as you can see there in those funny brackets, which says Velmora, made to linger. And I'll show you the advert now.
Golden hour, last a moment. Some things are made to hold it. Velmora, made to linger.
For this third advert, I wanted to create a coffee brand called Act Coffee for the doers. So it's fun to have creativity and think about what the catchphrase is for that particular product you're creating. And again, here's my 3 images I created. And the difference in this one is that I also created a voice sample, actually just using fish audio of a lady talking, and also reference that audio for the voice of the lady in this particular video clip. So image 1, we've got providing the cafe owner's face. Image 2, we've got the actual coffee bag. Image 3, we've got the location for the mood, the scene, the color grade, everything. And audio 01 is for the reference for how the lady's voice should sound. and I'll play you a clip of how that audio sounds.
Morning is my favorite part of the day. The cafe fills with that fresh roast smell.
And now before I play you the final video for this Act Coffee advert, one of the things I did have to do just here when I was creating the images, in the original image there was writing on the blackboard here. On the screen you can see the little blackboard in that location, and there was some random things on the tabletop, so I just had to edit the image using GPT image editor and tell it to remove those things to make sure I had a cleaner image for the location, and that made the advert work perfectly. And now I'll show you the final advert.
We roast every single morning. This is today's. Once you taste fresh, you will not go back. Act. Coffee for doers.
So for this final advert, we're creating the video that we started with originally, which is for the Act Energy Bar, more of an exciting, funny one for good giggles. And so here we have the first image of the guy and the image of the Act Energy Bar and his co-worker at the office. Same process of defining what each of these are, the prompt being built from the skill within Claude. I have a video actually on my channel that shows how to use that skill if you want to use that skill and learn how to use it to write these prompts exactly as they are here. And now I'll show you the first iteration of the Act Energy Bar.
Morning. How are you feeling?
Ready to act. Act Energy Bar for when you need to act but don't have the strength.
So you can see in this first iteration that he tried to eat the chocolate bar without opening the packet. So I had to create a new image, just edited the image and created a packet where the chocolate bar is open, and then regenerated it now with the chocolate bar being open, so he'd actually bite on the open chocolate bar instead, on the energy bar. And I'll show you the final video for that now.
Do you ever wake up feeling sluggish? No energy for work?
Morning. How are you feeling?
Ready to act. Act Energy Bar for when you need to act but don't have the strength.
Seedance 2 is live inside Dzine right now. The link is in the description. All 4 prompts are available too, so you can rebuild every one of these today. Start with a comedy spot, put your own product on that coffee table, keep the camera move at the front of every beat and see what one generation gives you. When you make one, I genuinely want to see it. If you'd like to get hold of the Claude skill and the actual prompts that were used in this video, make sure to jump over to Pure Act on YouTube, and there will be a link on any of the videos to jump into the community that I run, where you can get a hold of that Claude skill to download and create your own prompts with Seedance 2.5 to use within Dzine. Until next time, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in this next video here.